You can see the first cleaning only did the first two functions. It did not suck ink, so those tubes still empty. Now let's do the second one. Still not sucking. Okay, finally get some colors. You can see the printer not always run the sucking function when they do the cleaning. So you have to cross your fingers, hope it does it. You can see there's still some air bubbles in the tube. So probably we're not going to get a good nozzle check. Remember the air bubbles in the magenta color? So now you can see it, the magenta still need sucking. You thought it was going to be easy, didn't you? Actually, it didn't do any sucking this time either.